Amazfit Bip 3 and Bip 3 Pro are here. How's the screen, battery life, app, accuracy and much more coming up in this video. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this smartwatch, you can head to the first link in the description below. To get started, here's the shipping package. Let's unbox this. So here's the watch itself, charging dock and user manual. Let's unwrap the watch. Now as we are in the process, let's also set it up. For that you have to download the Zepp app and you can go to the Play Store or scan the QR code on the watch. After opening that, you will have to sign in or create an account. Put in your basic details like weight and all. After that, allow Bluetooth and location access. Once you get out of the smartwatch app rituals, tap on the plus icon, scan the QR code and accept binding request on the watch. And you are done. Now we can start using the watch. Let's start this review with the design and build quality. But before that, I would like to clear out your curiosity. That is, what is the difference between the Bip 3 and the Pro version? So the main difference between the two is GPS. On the Pro, you will get the inbuilt GPS, so if you go for the outdoor walk, running, cycling, etc., it will record accurate data and path you took. This is a feature who are serious about their activities and want detailed measurements, and it would help them in their growth. For an average man, it's not that important, so you can just pick up the Bip 3 and can potentially save a couple of bucks. Now I could give you this information at the end of this video and then you have to be like, watch the whole video, but I'm nice, so please stay tuned for the rest of this video. That would be helpful. Anyways, talking about the design of the watch, it's quite lightweight. I haven't seen any watch this lightweight and comfortable to wear at the same time. The moment I held it, it felt like a great smartwatch. The strap is very soft and doesn't irritate at all. Now everything is made out of plastic, but the watch feels solid. I don't think it will leave his breath anytime soon. What I'm going to do is I'll be using this watch for the next 30 days straight and will post an updated review. But this would only happen if this video gets like 250 likes. Let's see how many of you are interested. So moving on to the features, here we get a beautiful 1.69-inch display with 240 by 280 pixel resolution, and it comes with a 2.5D tempered glass, which makes it very smooth and joy to use. Also, it comes with anti-fingerprint coating, and I have also noticed that it catches less fingerprints as compared to other smartwatches. Other than that, it is bright and I have used this in direct sunlight without any kind of issues. Then we have the IP68 water rating, and it has water resistance of 5 ATM, so we can do swimming with this watch. Next is the 60 sports mode, which is a lot, even though this watch can be used while swimming, but there is no sports mode for that. They should have included one for swimming as well. I don't know why they didn't. So next is the 50 plus watch faces that you can choose from, and you can also just customize them as well. Or you can also add your own picture if you are so narcissist. So yeah, for monitoring health, we get heart rate, SpO2 sleep monitor, stress monitor and girls cycle monitor. Let's compare this with the Apple Watch. Now let's take a moment and see how the watch works and what is located where. So just like any other watch, you can just swipe in all directions. Up top we get quick actions like brightness control, do not disturb mode, alarms and settings. If we swipe down, it will give us notification. On the right we have widgets like activity, heart rate, SpO2, stress, music control, weather, etc. To access the menu, click this button on the side. It will show you this list menu. Now this is the only way to access the menu. Generally you have menus in either one of the 4 directions, but sadly on the Bip 3 you only have the option to just like press this button, which is a bit inconvenient to use, I would say. Anyways, here you have a lot of things like activity goal, heart rate, sleep, workout, and much more. Now, if you don't want all these things, or you want to add some other things, or you want to sort it, then you can go to the Zepp app and do that from there. Speaking of Zepp, that's the app itself. It is good. You get all the data at glance on the homepage, and we can see the details by tapping any item. Next is the health tab, where we can start an exercise like walking or cycling, and it will record the GPS data along with that. And last is the profile tab, where you can add in your details and set your goals, etc. On battery side, we get 280 mAh battery, which takes about 2 hours to charge full, and after that you can expect about 7 to 14 days of battery backup. Depends how intensely you use the watch, which is actually very good battery life. Again, I'll test this watch and let you know how it performs for me and update with the review. So make sure you are subscribed for that. According to me, it's the best smartwatch under this price point. I have tried many different smartwatches, and this one feels most polished. The UI, display, features, and everything feels best. So if you are in the market looking for a budget smartwatch under $3,000 or $60, then you can definitely pick this up. Now, if you have some room in your budget, then you can also check out the Bip 3 Pro, which has GPS, which is for $5,000 or $70. Links to best deals would be down below in the description, so you can save some more. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye-bye.